First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl image, click open. Now take the object selection tool and select the white cloth like this. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the selected part. Right click on this layer and choose convert to smart object. Open file and choose save as. Rename it as displays. Press save. Click OK. Open file and choose place embedded. Select this flower texture image. Click place. Decrease the opacity and adjust the image in this manner. Press enter. Increase the opacity to 100%. Right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Open filter, distort and choose displays. Adjust the settings in this manner. Press OK. Select the saved PSD file. Press open. Go to blend modes and choose multiply. Right click on this layer and choose blending options. Here adjust this underlying layer option like this. Press OK. Let's see the final result.